We often need to drill a hole in the wall, but are not allowed to fix the drill stand there. Or, not every application is just a single hole. There is many times when you have to drill multiple holes underneath each other, for example for a new door. We have our nice long extended column here. You very fast will get to the idea how nice it would be if I could flip my tool 90 degrees, and with this single setup I could drill multiple holes in multiple positions underneath each other. Welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks of Diamond Drilling, this time about the cross column. Looks serious, doesn't it? We have now two carriages. One is holding the tool and allowing you to drill horizontally. And the second, the original carriage, is allowing you to move your cross column vertically up and down so that you can do holes underneath each other. The first hole is done. Now we're gonna drill a second, just right below it. You can do a lot of things with our HD30 stand, can't you? I cross my fingers that the cross column works for you as well. See you next time. Bye bye.